Mastering comparisons in English, not aces, and not so as. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our channel where we break down complex English language structures to make your learning journey easier. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of English comparisons with a focus on not aces and not so as structures for pointing out differences. Let's get started. First things first, it's essential to know when and how to use these structures. The structures not aces and not so as are used to show that one thing is different from another to a lesser degree. For instance, he is not as tall as his brother. This task is not so difficult as the previous one. These examples show a comparison between two entities, expressing a lesser degree of equality or quantity in the first entity in comparison to the second. Let's take a closer look at the not aces structure. You'll notice it consists of three parts. 1. Not as indicates a lesser degree. 2. An adjective or adverb describes the quality or state being compared. 3. As completes the comparison. Here's an example. She is not as fast as a cheetah. Here, fast is the quality being compared. Next up, we have the not so as structure. Like the previous one, it consists of three parts. 1. Not so indicates a lesser degree. 2. An adjective or adverb describes the quality or state being compared. 3. As completes the comparison. For instance, the cake is not so sweet as the candy. Here, sweet is the quality being compared. While they can often be used interchangeably, there's a subtle difference between not aces and not so as. The former is generally more common and accepted in formal writing and speech. On the other hand, the latter might sound slightly more informal, although it's also grammatically correct. Let's put this into practice. Here are some sentences for you to transform using these structures. 1. Original. She runs faster than me. Transformed. I am not as fast as she is. 2. Original. His car is more expensive than mine. Transformed. My car is not as expensive as his. The more you practice, the more naturally these structures will come to you. That's it for today's lesson on English comparisons with not aces and not so as structures. Remember, mastering these structures will not only help you make comparisons but also express subtler nuances in your conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and watch this video again if you need more time. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep learning and expanding your English language skills.